Hey everybody, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades, and this week's Members Trade of the Week is a really cool one, so sit back and let me show you a really smart member. Langford M from Anguilla has been sending us a lot of screenshots because he's a really dedicated trader. He works really hard to find trades that are outside of the box, and that's what I love about the trade he sent me this week. He noticed, and we highlighted for our members, the Swiss policy rate. And on the Forex Factory calendar, that's the interest rate decision by the Swiss Central Bank. And Langford knew that there would be a high probability that that event would move the Swiss franc. So why is this so great? What's so special about this screenshot? Well, for one, we don't trade the Swiss franc normally, but it's information based on the way that we trade that a member who's thinking on his feet can easily figure out that the Swiss franc is going to be the instrument to trade on their central bank's news. So Langford traded at the time that we said would be a great time on our schedule. Look at this move. This green candle moves all the way up. He makes his $356, and there was a potential second trade that was almost double in size of the first one. But let it be known, he traded the first move for over $350, really thinking on his feet. The Swiss Bank policy statement is our Trade of the Week by Langford M from Anguilla. I'm impressed, Langford, and thanks for sending it. It makes me happy and proud that our concepts and the way that we teach is being taken to heart by our members. And they're using the concepts to find extra trades to generate profits. This was a great Members Trade of the Week, so thanks again from Langford M in Anguilla. All you have to do is put your nose to the grindstone and think and pay attention and enjoy it, because you'll find some great trades every single week. Hope you're all having a great holiday season. Join the challenge, freetraderoom.com. We want to see you there next week. Take care, everyone.